How to fix Burgling Gnomes is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is finished, you want to go back to General tab, and in the launch options box you want to add the following command: -dx11 without spaces, and then close this and close out of Steam. The next thing you'll need to do is search for redist. Click on the first link, and from here scroll down to the second table and download and install the 86 version of the redistributables and the 64. Both of these need to be installed, and once you finish it will ask you to reboot your system if you don't have them already. And once you reboot, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from your library. And if this still doesn't solve the crashing problem, what you can do is check if you have the latest GPU updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can use the NVIDIA app to download the latest driver or the game ready driver update. If you have AMD, you can use the AMD software. And once you finish the installation, you can try to restart the game from the library. And this should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.